iOS 26.1 is now finally out, and this is a massive new update from Apple. It fixes a lot of bugs that were present with iOS 26, and battery life is also now a lot better, especially on the iPhone 17 series, so this update is a must-try on those iPhones. First, we are getting a new way to stop alarms and timers. Now you can slide to stop a timer or an alarm. This is something new, and it reminds me of the classic iOS 6 slide to unlock feature. However, if you do not like this new setting, then you can go back to the previous one by going into accessibility in settings. Then scroll down and tap on touch. And at the end, you will see the option called Prefer Single Touch Actions. Just enable this option and the previous setting will be back. Next, Apple has introduced a new liquid glass option. For that, go to Settings. Then tap on Display and Brightness and now choose Liquid Glass. Here we have two options, clear and tinted. Clear is the usual liquid glass style we have seen before, but tinted now makes the glass slightly dim. This helps with readability, so it is really good news, especially for those people who did not like the liquid glass look before. Personally, I do not like this new option, so I will be keeping clear liquid glass on my iPhone. An additional setting has also been added. If you go to Accessibility, then Display and Text, you will find an option that says Show Borders. This option enables borders around every liquid glass element, once again making readability a lot better and improved. Then we have a new camera setting. With this option, say goodbye to those accidental pocket camera triggers. In Settings, tap on Camera, then scroll all the way down and you will see a new option called Lock Screen Swipe to open camera. When this option is enabled, you can swipe to open the camera on the lock screen. However, when it is turned off, you can no longer do that. I wish Apple introduced support for custom apps with this setting, so instead of the camera, we could quickly launch any app we choose with a swipe on the lock screen. Next up, in Apple Music, you can now swipe on the name of the song and it will take you to the next track. Similarly, you can also swipe on the mini player in Apple Music to move forward or backward. This is a nice little touch added to Apple Music with iOS 26.1. Apple TV Plus has also been rebranded to Apple TV. There is a new option in settings under General called Local Capture. When you tap it, you can save your audio during an audio or video call. When you turn on low power mode, the ticking animation of the clock on the home screen changes. Instead of the smooth movement, it now has a ticking effect. The buttons in the phone dialer app are also getting this liquid glass design. There is one small change Apple made with text alignment, and I am not liking it. If you go to Settings, you will see that text is now aligned from left to right instead of being centered. The same thing goes for folders, where the text is now placed on the left side instead of being centered. What do you think about this change? Let me know in the comments. Apple Intelligence has added more supported languages, although the beta badge is still there. Similarly, new languages for translation with AirPods have been added. Battery life is now a lot better, so I highly recommend you update to iOS 26.1. These were some of the main changes with this version of iOS. Let me know what you think about this update, and I will catch you in the next one.